Great, welcome back. Quick recap. In the last video, we talked about variables. Variables are containers that hold a value. In this video, I want to talk about, we will talk about like syntax. What is syntax? So in programming language, we'll talk about specifically in Python. Syntax is pretty much the grammar laws that you have to follow in the programming language. Pretty much you can see it as like, in the English language, we have grammar and we have rules with grammar. And if you don't function according to those grammar rules, then you're in error. It's the same thing with Python. For example, I will show you, say, when it comes to a string must always have quotation marks. For example, this is a string. Quotation marks and parentheses. Hello, my name is Don. That is a string. Now, let's say we wanted to, we will assign a variable to that string. We'll say x equals hello, my name is Don. Now, if we go to print and we execute the print function and we put x, we will get the code execution, or the result of the execution of that code at the bottom, which is hello, my name is Don. Excuse me. Now, if I operate in a way that is not lined up with Python syntax guidelines, then I'll get an error. For example, notice how I take off the end quotation marks. And it says quotation mark, hello, my name is Don, with no ending quotation mark. And you see how if I push play right now, I get an error in my terminal area. And that's what's so wonderful about the terminals in Python. They will tell you, the terminal pretty much tells you, this is the issue, you need to fix it. You go right here, it says file, says line 1, it tells you what line the error is in, and then it says x equals hello, or excuse me, parentheses, quotation mark, hello, my name is Don. And then it has an arrow pointing and it says syntax error, EOL while scanning string literal. So it's saying that the string is not complete. Now see, when I have the quotation mark, the exclamation point goes away. And if I hit play, hello, my name is Don is printed. Another, let's see, what's another one I can show you? For example, say I have I have a double quotation mark at the beginning and then I have a single quotation mark at the end. Notice how it's all red, it's an error again. If I push play, I'm going to get the same issue. It has to match. It has to be double quotation mark if you're going to use double quotation mark. Now, like, if you want to use single, you can use single, but it has to be both ways. You have to have a single at the beginning and a single at the end, or you have to have a double quotation mark at the end and a double quotation mark at the beginning. So if I hit play, boom, hello, my name is Don.